Hello guys, so I just want to share with you this cable car experience in Singapore. So this is my first time to ride a cable car with Nanay Luz and Ate Angie. So actually this video is it's been a long time already, but I really wanna share with you this video because I feel like this cable ride experience is so amazing and it's unplanned to ride with this cable car kasi after church, as I remember, after church ito, Christmas party na ng church na Ate Carol. And then, after that, we decided to go somewhere. And then, naisipan namin kasi minsan, sale itong, nakasale yung tickets sa cable car. Sometimes $2 lang siya. So, ayon, or $3, I forgot. Yun na, pagtripa naming sumakay dito sa cable car. So, this is our first time. Pero ito yung shorter cable car, guys. Kasi dalawa ito. Meron isang mahaba. Pero hindi kami sumakay doon. Yung papuntang Sentosa yung sinakyan namin. So, it was nice and amazing to experience this cable car ride going to Sentosa. And then, syempre, hindi kami prepared pumunta dito. At saka guys, at naka high heels ako dito. It's so funny kasi first time na pumunta ng beach na naka high heels. So, syempre, ano gagawin mo sa heels mo? Idibit-bitin mo at maglakad sa beach. Ganon guys, ganon. So, itong cable car, I think 4 stop. I forgot kung how many stops. Pero short sa, ano lang to siya. Short way. Pero masaya to guys. And then makikita mo yung view ng Sentosa dito. So pagbaba mo, lalakad lang unti. Sentosa na yun siya guys. So Siloso Beach. And then pwede kang gumala. Madaming galaan. Ito yung lagi namin pinupuntahan pag nag-beach. Itong Siloso Beach. So eto yung view ng cable car guys. Pero kung takot ka sa heights, okay lang din naman, hindi naman siya gumagalaw. Ay, wag ka lang tumingin sa wag ka lang tumingin sa baba. Ganoon lang. Kasi kapag tumingin ka sa baba, syempre mahawa ka at saka hindi mo na mai-enjoy yung view. So, ganoon guys. And after that, after namin mag cable car, kasi in-try namin talaga tong cable car. Kasi actually dito sa SG kasi madami ka namang galaan kung hindi ka talaga very social. So madami kang galaan dito. And then meron din dito silang hikes dito sa Sentosa. Ito yung hindi ko na hike yung Sentosa kasi may short hike dito sa Sentosa. Pero hindi ko na siya napuntahan at na tayo sa Philippines. Pero ito parang shape siya ng barko, 'di ba? Yan yung last station ng cable car guys. Dito sa Sentosa yung makikita nyo dyan. So ayan yung last station. And then, so syempre maglalakad kami dito sa Siloso Beach. So ayan, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na I'm not prepared to go to the beach. So syempre naka-high heels ako dyan. So syempre bit-bitin at maglakad. Ganon yun. Pwede naman magpaa eh. But I enjoyed the day guys. I enjoyed to take pictures and then step on the water. Yun lang guys. Ito yung maganda dito sa Siloso Siloso Beach. And then watching sunset. So yun yung pinagagawa namin. So ayan lang siya guys. And then uwi na kami dito. Kasi syempre hapon na. And then ayaw naman namin na sobrang hapon at saka uwi. So, I enjoyed my day here, playing here, playing dito sa Sentosa Beach Resort. Itong beach dito guys is wala siyang bayad sa mga nasa SG, sa mga baguhan, wala po siyang bayad yung beach dito. I said you can do what you want. Tapos, bawal lang talaga magkalat guys. Bawal kayo mag-iwan ng mga plastic or bawal doon. And then, ito na kasi yan si Ate Angie at saka si Nanay Luz. Si Ate Angie. So, she's my friend. And Naano ko kasi ito siya, na-download ko. Actually, live ko itong videos na to guys eh. Na-download kasi, more on kasi sa videos ngayon. Pwede na ma-download yung live. Kaya na-share ko to sa inyo. So, yun si Ate Angie, yung aking friend. And si Nanay Luz. Yan. So, ito guys ay matagal na. Nakabaon lang sa... nakatago lang sa sa Facebook guys. Sa aking private Facebook main account. So, doon ko yung kinuha yung aking videos para ma-share sa inyo kung anong meron sa cable car and sa Sentosa at ang aking gala for, let's say. So, kasi pwede kang mag-ride back sa using your tickets. Kapag nag-cable car ka, pwede kang mag-cable car ulit kung ayaw mong mag-MTR. Kasi may train yan kay LRT. May train din dyan na pwede kang sumakay ng train pabalik kung ayaw mo mag-cable car. So, nag-cable car kami ulit, guys. So, syempre, para masulit din namin yung binili naming tickets. So, it was nice kasi, first experience. Pero I like kasi, guys, si adventure. So, ayun. So, di ko alam kung ano nangyayari dito sa nagagawa ko. Ito upuan na yung napicturean namin. Ay, nagpicture yata kaming tatlo yan dyan. Picture kami. So, I haven't tried here in Hong Kong yung kanilang cable car. Maybe soon, I will try that cable car going to Buddha, I think. Yun yung cable car dito sa Hong Kong. And dito sa SG, dalawa tong cable car nila guys. Sentosa at yung isa papuntang, I forgot kung saan yung papunta yung isa. Basta maganda yung mas mahaba eh. So, ayan. Masaya lang kapag, kapag off day kasi, usually, we enjoy really our off day kasi gagala with friends. So, grateful to know some of my friends sa Singapore, yung mga close sa akin. Close kami, lahat. So, ayun. I really miss them, actually. So, that's why sometimes I'm watching some of our videos kasi nakakamiss yung mga bonding. It's not the same here. So, ayun lang guys. And then, ayan lang yung aking off day. Off day with Ate Angie and Nanay Luz. So, we enjoyed really a lot on this cable car experience and unplanned going to the beach. So, ayun lang siya guys. And, if you want to enjoy your off day, kasi maghanap kayo ng madaming parks sa SG na magaganda as in. So, actually na-share ko dito. Mostly kasi YouTube ko yung ina-uploadan ko ng some of my videos. So, madaming parks. So, I will try to upload some here actually. Kasi ang dami ko pang hindi na-upload eh. Para kung nasa SG ka is alam mo kung saan yung papunta or ano yung magandang view. So, you can search it Google kasi ilalagay ko naman kung ano yun. And that's all guys. Our cable car ride here at Singapore. So, cable car experience in Singapore. So, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo tong video. God bless you and take care always.